just so the colour's uniform all the way around. So I'm going to go with this dark reddish brown here. Might use a bit of that one as well, and just pack that on in the outer corner. And I'm using that fluffy brush just to buff out the colour as I'm going along, and then I can add a little bit more with the small brush and then buff it again till it's how I want it to look. I'm going to create the shadow above the socket line and into the side of the nose here. I'm just going to buff that colour. Usually I'd be really careful about using such a light colour on a deep skin tone because there's so much contrast to it, but if you control where you're placing it, it can look really nice. So I'm using it as a highlight basically, so I can create the cut part of the crease, and then I'm just blending it in to the base that was already underneath. And then I'm going to set with some eyeshadow. I just want this bit to blend in, so I'm just using my fluffy brush to merge that in. So when you're blending, you're going to use more of like a circular kind of motion like this, or like a small back and forth motion, and that will blend the colour in. So I wanted to put that really light colour on just so that you could see that you can put a very light colour on a dark skin tone and it can still look really pretty. You need to put darker colours with it so that it's not that the Nicki Minaj